Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial I'll show you how to turn on Bluetooth on your Mac. Whether you're using a MacBook Air or MacBook Pro, the steps are exactly the same. There are 3 simple ways to enable Bluetooth on your Mac. Let's go through them one by one. First, look at the menu bar at the top right corner of your screen and click on the Control Center icon. It looks like 2 toggle switches. Inside Control Center, find the Bluetooth option, click the arrow next to it, and you'll see a toggle switch. Just click the switch to turn Bluetooth on or off. That's the quickest way. The second way is through Spotlight Search. Press Command plus space on your keyboard to open Spotlight. Type Bluetooth and select the Bluetooth settings from the results. Once it opens, you'll see a toggle button. Click it to enable Bluetooth. The third way is through System Settings. Click the System Settings icon in your dock, or open it from the Apple menu. In the sidebar, scroll and select Bluetooth. On the right side, you'll see the toggle switch. Just turn it on. And that's it. These are the 3 easiest ways to turn on Bluetooth on your Mac. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video, share it, and subscribe to the channel for more useful Mac tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.